So I'm really thirsty, trying to get a bottle of water, and the freaking thing got stuck. So then I figured if I get the Gatorade on top of it, it'll knock it down. The Gatorade got stuck. So now, it's like a game you play at Chuck E. Cheese. I'm playing Vending Machine Plinko. I figure if you get the orange juice, it might knock down the Gatorade, which will knock down the bottle of water.
Do 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 do.
A1,
Do do
left
do
corner.
do.
Ready?
Do 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 do.
A1. Come on, baby! No! No! You son of a bitch! I'm already down like $6 in this situation. So, do you agree with me? C2, Mike?
Yeah, the water should push it forward.
Here we go. C2, it will go right between these two.
Come on, no whammies, no whammies. Big bucks, big bucks.
2. Come on, baby! Not even... literally didn't even budge.
Wait,
Ready? B1. Be the kid. This isn't even funny anymore. Hey, all right. Back to A1. Top left. This is it. I swear, if this doesn't work, I give up. And I quit. Show me the bottles! It's like vending machine Jenga. I'm almost through the whole roll of quarters.
What are you trying to do?
I want to get them all down. I paid for every one of them.
Oh, that should work.
These things are tamper-proof.
My old man has an ultimate set of tools.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, we got more money.
that's great.
If anyone wants to make a donation to this fund, we've registered as a
Get a
non-profit.
PayPal account.
It's
What about B1?
like that woman who was bullied.
Yeah, we need to...
Like, we'll start our own.
Jared,
No, you know what?
so
A2.
is for morons.
A2.
Okay.
A2.
B1 will just get stuff.
A.
You're a silent investor over there.
Two.
Quiet down. You...
Watch this.
Hey!
2 for 1, baby. 2 for 1.
Is it? You just quit. Now.
Victory is mine.
Quit now.
This is, all things considered, I'm going to call this a win.
$28, 2 orange juices and a water.